Do you stand by your machine all day to be sure it's running?
With the software State Monitor, you can always keep the status of your machine within sight. With its machinery range display, State Monitor gives you a real-time view of each machine's status. You can also use State Monitor on mobile devices. This enables you to be on-site in production even when you're working in the office or attending a meeting. Even machines equipped with older Heidenhain controls can be connected through State Monitor. State Monitor connects machines in production with computers in production engineering or process planning, or with mobile devices. Depending entirely on the rights you configure, you can also access State Monitor from outside your corporate network or only have it send messages.
Do you have to count the finished work pieces to determine the job status?
State Monitor allows you to quickly and easily reconcile planned data to real data so that you can always make reliable statements about the progress of work. Your shipping department receives finished parts as planned. Your job planning people can schedule follow-up jobs for the machine based on real-time data. The customers receive their parts by the planned delivery date.
Does changing a shift last forever while you discuss every step with your replacement?
Using the web browser integrated in the Heidenhain control, you can also quickly and easily display State Monitor on the machine. The evaluations give you an overview of the machine's status, for example, the recent history of a work shift.
How often are service requirements not passed on to the responsible service worker?
Of course, State Monitor not only provides you with access to machine data, State Monitor can also actively notify you. You specify the events and time intervals for which State Monitor should send you a message. You can also decide who receives notifications and when.